In this video, we will be seeing how to write a HTML program and how to create a list in HTML program and also how to create a table in HTML program. So first we will be starting with the basic HTML program. So whenever we write HTML code, we will be wrapping it within the HTML tag. So whatever HTML code we write will be written within HTML tags, which is written in this manner. So HTML in between the opening and closing angular bracket we write, and then we always have a closing tag also, which will be starting with // followed by again HTML. So the first one here in the first line is called the opening HTML tag, and this is called the closing HTML tag. Now in between opening and closing HTML tag, we write any HTML code or program. So whenever a HTML program we write, or the basic format for HTML program contains the head section. So within HTML, we have the head section and the body section. So first we write the head section and then we write the body section. So every tag will be having the opening and closing tag. So here in this manner, we have the head section and body section. Within the head, we write the title tag to give page title, or we can also provide here in the head tag the links to other files. Like if you are having a CSS, you can provide the link details in this head tag, or any scripting language you are adding or script file, that also you can link here in the head file, head section. Now in the body, whatever you write will be creating the web page content. So here within the body, I am here for now, I'm just writing or using here the h1 tag, which creates the heading. So h1 to h6, we have the heading tags in HTML. H1 will give you the text in bold and in the largest font. And H5 will be decreasing font by one size, and like that H6 will be the smallest font size for the text. So H1 to H6 we have the headings. So I'm taking here as welcome. Let's check for all H1 to H6. So I have given here H1, H2, H3, 4, 5, and 6, and respective closing tags for each and every H1. So if you don't close, the following text will also appear in the heading tag. So I have used here H1 to H6 heading tag. So let's see the difference between the text being displayed by it. Now within head, I'm keeping the title tag so that I can create the title of page. So in this, I am writing HTML program as the title of page. So this is going to create the title of page, which I have written within the head tag or head section. So save the file as HTML file. So you can save it in your desired location. So I am saving it as HTML file. So select HTML and save it. So I'm giving test.html, and I'm for now saving on desktop. So test.html, save it. So now this is the HTML file containing HTML code, and whatever HTML code is written within the opening and closing of HTML tag. HTML code contains head section and body section within the HTML tags. Body will be creating the web page content, whereas head will contain the title of web page or it can also contain the links of the other files if you are adding to your HTML program. Now, if I open this in browser, this program, this will be giving me the title of page as HTML program, and then it will also create the web page content in which welcome will be displayed in different fonts because of this H1 to H6 heading tags. So whenever you open in browser, this code will create the structure of web page. So HTML code or HTML program is used for designing the web pages. So when we open this in browser, we get this type of text because of the heading tag. So H1 is giving you font in the bigger size and H6 in the smallest size. And every other H2, H3, H4 and H5 is one less than the previous font size. So this way HTML basic program is written. Now let's create a table in HTML program. So for table, we use table tag. So opening and closing table tag we use, and for creating of table, and within the table, if you want to create any row, then you will be using tr tag for creating a row. So I am here using opening and closing of tr tag. I want to create 3 rows. So I am here using 3 rows. So that is 3 tr tags. So this will be creating first row, second row, and third row. So opening tr tag, closing tr tag. So within the row is nothing but horizontal. Uh, Rows will be horizontal, columns will be vertical, containing data in vertical form. So within the row, we will be creating columns. So for creating column, we can use td tag. So to add data to the row, we can create td tag. Now this td, again, how many records you want in, how many columns you want in a row, that you will be deciding. So row is nothing but a record, and within the record, how many data elements or columns you want, that will be decided using td tag. So td first tag and second tag. Similarly, for other rows also, I am adding the td tag like this. So this is creating 3 rows. So table tag used for creating the table. Within the table tag, we are using tr for first row, tr again for second row, and tr again for third row. Now, I want to give the column name here in between this td. So I'm giving the column name as id, and for this name. And here, the other 2 rows will be the data for this column. So id I want to give as 1, and here 2. And the name I want to give as Sam and Ram. Now this will create the table's data. The second 2 rows, the second and third, will create data, and the first is for columns. Now let's see how it comes in browser. So first save the file, then open in browser. So when we open in browser, we get the tables, column and data. So columns you can see ID and name, and the data you can see 1 Sam 2 Ram. Now suppose I write here in the column names TH instead of TD. If I give TH, it's like table heading. So, and save it, and again open in browser. So you can see the text is in bold now. So it creates the columns heading when we use TH. So in the previous case, it was not bold, but when I write in TH, it is appearing in bold. Now you can also observe here, there is no border for the table. So for that, within the table tag, opening table tag, you can add an attribute as border equal to, and here you can give the size of border in numbers. So here I'm giving 2. You can increase the size if you want a width of border, like wide border if you want. You can give here the width of border. So first save it every time you open in browser and then open in browser. You can also refresh the page. So you can see border is created. So we got the tables border also. Now I want a heading for table as student table. So that I can do using a caption tag. So within the caption tag, if I write student, then this will be giving a heading to the table. So save it and then open in browser. So you can see above the table, we got a heading also as student. So this is creating a caption to the table, which is nothing but heading of table. So this way we can create table, and for more on tables, you can subscribe the channel and stay updated, because in some other video in very detail, we will be seeing all these tables. Now let's see how to create a list. So I'm removing this table, and to create a list, we will be using OL or UL tag. So like this, OL tag will be creating ordered list. So ordered list will be created using OL tag, and to give the list items, we will be using LI tag, which will be giving the list items. So I am here giving first list item as fruits. Then I am giving vegetables. The second list item, and then the third I will be giving as snacks. So I have created 3 list items, and the list is of type ordered list. So OL stands here for ordered list. Now first save it and then open in browser. So you can see ordered list. Ordered list will be ordering the contents using some numbers. By default, it is using numbers, and you can give alphabets also, which we will be seeing in some other video. So about list and list types also, we will be seeing in detail in some other video. So please don't forget to subscribe channel. And here to create unordered list, if you do not want numbering or alphabets beside the list items, then you can use unordered list, which is created using UL. So UL tag, opening and closing tag, and list items are created using LI. So the same, everything is same in both the list. Only thing is the outer tag here is OL, ordered list, and here it is UL, unordered list. So again, save it, and now again open in browser. So you can see here it is numbered. That is, it is given number. Each item is given a number or sequence. Whereas here it is using bullets. So here also you can use different symbols like square, you can use circle, you can use. So that also we will be seeing in some other video. So list and types of list, and how to give this bullets, circles, and different symbols, and here different alphabets and all, we will be seeing in coming videos. So please stay updated by subscribing the channel. So this is how we create list in HTML program. Ordered list and unordered list, and there is also a definition list, which we will see in coming videos. So in this video we have covered how to write a basic HTML program, and also how to create a table using HTML program. And we have also seen how to create a list using HTML program on the web page. So HTML, hypertext markup language, basically used for designing of web pages. So for more content on HTML, for more videos on HTML, please do subscribe the channel. And on this channel, you will also be finding Java.net and other programming languages. Also, we will be soon uploading videos on CSS and JavaScript. So please don't forget to subscribe channel and stay updated.